Are they silly rabbits?
Silly rabbits.
Silly bunnies?
These are silly rabbits. These are silly rabbits.
Okay, what else is in there?
What else is in here? What's this?
What is that?
What's this?
Is that candy?
Uh-huh.
What else is in there? What's this?
Oh, what's this? How do we open this up?
Are they flowers?
These are flowers.
You can plant those outside.
I can play on outside.
Okay. What else is in your basket? What is your basket? What's this?
Gloves. Gloves. Gloves to you. Gloves for you.
They're
No,
gloves
those
for
are
you.
for Emmett.
Can you put your hand in there?
Ashley and Eddie gave you gloves so you can have work gloves just like Mama and Daddy.
Look.
You can do work outside now.
You can wear them when we plant the flowers. And what's this? What is that?
That's for me to play. What's this?
That's a wheelbarrow, just like Daddy's big wheelbarrow.
What's a red wheelbarrow?
That's awesome. Uh-oh. You dumped your load.
What's in there?
What's in there?
What's in here?
What's in
Something's in there.
It's candy in there.
There's candy in there.
there? More candy?
I gotta move now. I gotta move the kettle out of the way. And I can go. I'm going. I'm going.
All right.
I'm keeping that down. I'm keeping
All right,
that down.
Hey, Emmett.
Can you go that out?
Emmett, say thank you, Ashley and Eddie.
Where?
In the camera. Say thank you, Ashley and Eddie.
Thank you, Ashley and Eddie.
Say happy Easter. Say happy Easter.
Mm-mm.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.